Alright, we're in a restaurant today and there's a horrible smell coming from behind this wall. So we're going to be taking this paneling off and see what we find.
Hey Nova, have you seen this old video on YouTube before? It's from like 2023.
No, what is it?
It's this guy Jay, who's a drain technician. He used to make these videos about fixing drains and stuff. He was pretty popular back then.
You showed me one of these before.
So there's water. Do you see water over there?
Yeah, this is where I see
It's definitely. But it could be coming up from the.
Is there any drain on the other side?
There's sinks. You want to run the sinks?
I'm just gonna run one at a time.
Run them both, because they're like one's coming down here, one's coming over there.
Okay,
I want to see if maybe it's coming up through the floor.
Where does it go? You checked under here to see if there's drains?
Yesterday? No, because the snow was coming from over there, so I didn't know what it was, and I didn't want to start taking anything apart. But they didn't say anything was leaking.
Can you see up this way?
This sink's filling up. Shut it down.
There's a stopper. On this side.
Nothing underneath that you can see?
No, there's no drains whatsoever. There's like a conduit line over here, but that's huge and just nothing running there.
Oh, the conduit here?
Yeah.
Saw that there's another conduit over there in between. No, on this side of the no, on the other
No,
side.
I wasn't looking at it. Oh, that's just spillage over time.
From where? Just going under the floor?
Possibly. Like I'm pretty sure this is where there's. Did you see the drain over there? It's like kind of a green pipe, but it's kind of cut weird, and then it's filled. So I don't know if it was like an old conduit line or something.
It would make sense that if it is just spills, because like they use a lot of the like syrups and stuff.
Yeah.
For the bars.
Not so much over here, it's like right here.
What, or the water?
More the wetness.
Under this insulation here.
Yeah. Where's that insulation? Right here?
Literally right here, yeah.
You can see it on this side too, and it's like cut pipe, but then it's filled with that.
That would probably be a drain.
Yeah.
That's not conduit.
No, it's they had like a
It's an old hub drain or
backup
something.
and then it backed up and then rip it out, but then
Well, I think
you have to go back in.
but we gotta figure it out because this is gonna keep calling us back. They're just gonna keep having this issue, right?
Yeah. Besides that, there's nothing else on this side that.
And this is where the water is situated, so I'm guessing that's what it has to be.
No water coming up here.
No, I think we're good there. So let's get something to maybe,
Rip that out of that.
so you guys got anything in the truck? I'll go see what I got. Yeah, that's usually how it goes. You see the pipes on that side? Over.
Huh?
You see stuff coming through right here, through the wall?
Black.
Black
tape.
pipe or gray pipe? Yeah. Where does that pipe, where does that go?
It's just hang. It's don't go nowhere. Just hang down like. See,
That's just hanging there, that gray one?
and it got some slimy shit inside it. It looked like I spit the water around it too.
Okay, so that's where the water's coming.
That's where the water's coming from.
Right here.
Where would have that went to? That probably went into that pipe. Cause that's the,
That's for
The overflow.
like the
The
shot
glass
glasses
washer.
and stuff, and
so this pipe here. I think we found it, guys.
it's like dripping from the beer and stuff on the
Okay.
tap.
Yeah, yeah.
So we got this here that it's supposed to drain. So every time they like run this, it
Yeah,
drained in there.
Put a shot full of water in there. See if it comes up here.
I plugged this here.
You want to come around here?
No, here, just take the camera. Just,
I got a bottle here.
I got it plugged with my finger.
Don't do it yet. I'm gonna catch it. Yep.
How much of a bottle do you got there?
It's like a half a.
Nothing came out yet?
No,
Okay.
just like one of these.
Okay.
Oh, it's starting to come now.
Start to come now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna have a
I'm just gonna send her. She's gone this weekend, so.
All right, you ready?
Just watch that don't overflow. Just watch the thing actually goes in the bottle.
Yeah.
Did anything come out yet?
Yeah,
Yeah.
coming out a little bit.
Yeah.
You guys
Wow,
gotta watch.
still can't believe people watch this stuff.
Hey, don't laugh. Jay and his team were actually really good at what they did. They used to solve some really tough problems.
I find that hard to believe. I mean, look at their equipment. It's so outdated.
Well, they didn't have the advanced technology we have now, but they still managed to get the job done. In fact, I remember reading somewhere that they once solved a really difficult problem at a nuclear power plant. They figured out where the blockage was coming from and saved the entire building from flooding and causing a catastrophic event.
Really? How did they do that?
Well, they used some old-fashioned techniques like putting a camera down the drain to see where the blockage was, but they also had some really smart people on their team who could figure out the problem in no time.
That's amazing. I guess I underestimated them. I wonder what Jay's up to now.
I don't know, but I bet he's still fixing drains somewhere. Once a plumber, always a plumber.
I guess you're right. It's funny to think that people used to watch this stuff for entertainment. I mean, who wants to watch someone unclog a drain?
Apparently, a lot of people did, but hey, at least it was informative. You never know when you might need to fix a drain in the future.
That's a good point. Maybe we should take some tips from Jay and his team.
Definitely. You never know when you might need to save a restaurant from a bad smell.